I think some Ghibli artists might have to get another job because this new update on ChatGPT seems to have taken over Ghibli style of drawing. So recently, ChatGPT made some update that has got everyone talking. People are now able to turn their photos to Ghibli style image. Not just that, people also turn a raw sketching to a YouTube thumbnail. Let me show you how it's done. Come over to ChatGPT either through their browser or app. I will use my smartphone for this. Now click the plus sign to add your image. After that, now put in this simple prompt. What will I look like in a Ghibli style? And in a couple of minutes, ChatGPT generates a replica of your image in Ghibli style. This would have taken an artist hours of works, but with AI, we did it in seconds. Remember the part I mentioned about thumbnail? Let me show you here. Let's go back to ChatGPT. I will click on the plus icon and send in my sketching of a YouTube thumbnail. Next, I will paste the following prompt. Turn the sketch into a hyper-realistic YouTube thumbnail 1920 by 1080. The only text that should stay during the creation process is 1,000 miles per hour and the arrow right next to it. The rest of the text are instructions about details for you to follow. Click on enter, and once more ChatGPT does the magic. Permit me to say this new feature is crazy. Just take a look at the details. You can make changes by changing the prompt or asking it to make changes to a specific area. There are a lot more things you can do with this. Try it out and let me know your experience in the comment section.